Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on my BoxyCharm. This is the BoxyCharm for the month of April. So yes, this is the box. So for you gals and guys who do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription of $21 that they take out on the first of each month. Every 3 months, you have the option to upgrade to the Boxy Luxe, which is $50 every 3 months. You get a huge box filled of almost $250 worth of products for only the price of $50. So yes, this month's BoxyCharm was $21, and this is for the month of April. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box, keep on watching. So this is how the box is looking. It comes with this card. Boom. So on the back, it gives me the list of all the products and also the prices for each product and a description. So yes, this month's BoxyCharm theme, I thought it was darn, I'm not thinking of it right now. I thought it was something. I'll have it linked right there because my mind is a blank right now. So I'm going to pull out the first item. Oh, so this right here is a holographic lip gloss. This is by the brand Appeal. So how much is this? It is $21. This is by Appeal Cosmetics. It delivers intense holographic shine to your lips with this exclusive launch. So yes, this is a very exclusive lip gloss right here. It's like a shimmer with like silver metallics and white metallics in it, like a rainbow almost. You guys see that? Let's see. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. You probably not gonna even see it, boo-boo. Oh no. No. You can't hardly see it, but it's like clear, like glittery stuff, specks in it. Okay, so the next one is the Artistry Culture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder. This is it. This is the box. This costed $27. This is it. This is like some glow powder. Do y'all see that color? It's like a orangey, peachy type color. So yeah, that's a good powder. I'm probably gonna use that probably to set for probably like in the summertime. If I want to have like a glow in the summer to set my highlight, I'll probably do that. So y'all. Next is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. These are $14.99. These are called Lashaholic Vibes. That is the style name. They're all right. They're not as dramatic as I'm used to. I'm used to 25 mm lashes. Check it out, okay? So yes, I'm used to that. And then next is the Luxy Summer Days brush set. I love getting Luxe brushes. So yeah, I just cut the top off because I was trying to open it the good old jolly way, but it didn't work. So, okay, so this is the large shader brush. This is the small shader brush. And this is the small contour brush. So yes, that's it. And then next is some eyeshadow. This is the 12-piece pressed pigment palette. This is it. And this is it. And this is a pretty beautiful palette. Yeah, this is a nice little deal right here. This palette is worth $36. So yeah, this is a very nice palette. I can't wait to dip into it. It has like, I think this is, oh, it's like pressed glitter almost, but it's like, it comes on your finger very nice. See that? Let's see. Y'all see how nice that comes on? The gold one. Okay. Okay, so if you want to apply it to your lid, you can just wipe it on there with your finger. But knowing me, because I'm paranoid, I am going to apply it on with a glitter primer. So the rest are shimmers. The top row, this is a shimmer, and then this is a matte, 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 matte. So yeah, this is a nice palette for $36. So I really like that. So that is all that I have in my this month's BoxyCharm. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs me up. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.